Hello, this is Rashmi. I recently completed the 200-hour yoga teacher training course at Anandabodh Institute of Yoga, and it was truly an incredible experience. Shivachitam sir is deeply dedicated to teaching, and his intense knowledge of yoga and related discipline is remarkable. Before joining the course, I had limited understanding of yoga. To me, it was mostly about bending into certain posture or just another form of exercise. However, through this course, I have came to understand the true essence of yoga, its philosophy, depth, and how it extends far beyond the physical practice. This training has not only enhanced my knowledge, but also transformed my perception of yoga as a holistic and lifelong practice. I highly recommend this course to anyone serious about learning authentic yoga and deepening their understanding. This experience has been nothing short of life-changing. So yes, thank you.